All right, so you guys have been asking me, Brendan, what's up with Bitcoin? Brendan, what's up with Tesla? What's up with corporate universe? What's up with Wolf? I'm gonna break it down for you guys in this video. And I don't wanna take too much time. I just wanna give you guys a little bit to chew on here. Okay, so let's start with Tesla. So man, it's my biggest position, let's just say that. And even before we start, the biggest investment you can ever make, just not stocks, or financial investments, the biggest investment you can make is in yourself. All right, so we got to get that stated and cleared first. Okay, so Tesla is my biggest position. I'm thinking that it's probably going to double over the course of the next year. So Tesla's sitting at about 680 right now. We can anticipate, 1,200 plus later into next year as these factories get done. Berlin and Gigafactory Austin, which, the word on the street from the people that really know about Tesla is saying that these factories are going to be able to produce over 2 million cars each. So I'm bullish on Tesla. I got most of my money parked there. Next, Couv, corporate universe. Man, what an exciting stock. What an exciting technology. The CEO is Andrew Sospoitis, and he is a leader, but he has to wait for the company to bifurcate and get, they went public via a merger. So the company that brought them public, they need to bifurcate from that company. They need to separate that company out, and then they'll go public under, hopefully, under a new ticker, Carbon Ion Energy, CIE, or Carbon Ion, CION. I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, I hold the stock at 18 cents. When I first got it, I got it at about 30 cents. It went up to 85 cents. You couldn't tell me nothing. So it's lithium ion technology instead of carbon ion, and it's batteries. It's charging, it's batteries. So my Tesla, with Tesla's technology at my house, my charger will charge my Tesla in 6-7 hours. With carbon ion energy's technology, it'll charge my Tesla in 5 minutes. With Tesla's fastest supercharger, the V3, I think my car will charge, 300 miles in 30 minutes to an hour. With carbon ion, it'll charge in 5 minutes. So that's exciting. The stock is on sale right now. It dropped all the way down to 4 cents. And right now it's at 10 or 11 cents, but it was cruising at 4, 5, 6, 7 cents. You could have picked it up. So if you believe in a company and the company dips, then you should buy. So Tesla, I've been buying it. It dipped all the way down. It went from 900 to 450. Buy. If you look at all my buys, it's Tesla every single month in March, April, May, June. So I have a lot more shares than I plan on having, but if I could get it on sale, let's get it. Right now, that's Couv. That's Corporate Universe, which is Couv. It's on sale right now. It's really hard to get just because it's on the gray sheets. It's in the bottom level of available public stocks, but it's going to make its way back up to pinks, and then eventually it's going to be trading on the NASDAQ. By the time everybody can buy it and it's on the NASDAQ, it's going to be definitely over $1, and that's probably by fall sometime. So 10 cents now, do the math, that's 10x. Where can you get Couv or Corporate Universe right now? You can get it on Trade Zero, and a couple other really small brokerages, but it's not really available. So good luck getting it on Trade Zero. Now, something I'm super excited about is Wolf. They recently announced a merger with Iknx, and so here's the deal with that. So I don't know anything about Iknx, but I do know about Wolf. It's sustainable Bitcoin mining farm, which is all the rave right now, because we talk about how Bitcoin mining is so inefficient. Well, in China, it's really efficient because a lot of it is extra energy from natural resources like solar or water. Wolf is a US-based company, and it's sustainable. It's going to be the most sustainable Bitcoin mining company in the world. So Elon Musk will get excited about Bitcoin mining again with Wolf, and potentially add Bitcoin back to your purchases on Tesla. But that remains to be seen. So anyways, that's what Wolf does. Now, in the interim, between now and when that deal gets done, they are offering a dividend, but you have to buy it under Iknx. IKNX is the ticker symbol. And it's at about $20, which, it may or may not be a little bit rich. But yeah, if you can get it anywhere in that $17, $18, $19 range, then that is a great deal for that company, which eventually is going to be Wulf, right? WULF will be the new ticker symbol. And here's the deal: for every share that you buy, you get a $5 dividend. So if you do get it at 20 bucks, there's a $5 dividend. That's a 25% increase in value whenever that deal closes, and nobody really knows when that deal closes. So you kind of just got to be patient. Just like with Couv, I bought Couv, which is Corporate Universe. I started buying it around the beginning of the year. It went up to 80 something cents and dropped, and I'm negative 600 grand right now on Couv, but I'm super duper excited about it because if it goes to $1, bruh, we're gonna be partying hard. There'll be some new cars in the driveway. Let's just say that. Well, not yet, because I think that the future value of that company and the stock price is going to go way above $1. You know, we're thinking maybe $5. So why would I sell it at $1, right? But we will be spending some money though. But I like making money a lot more than I like spending it. So with that being said, you got to be an investor. You don't have to be, but that's what my investment thesis is. That I want to execute my investment thesis, and my investment my portfolio is built around that, holding companies for over a year. I had Amazon super early, Apple super early. And those companies all did 15, 20x for me. Tesla's done really well for me. I've had it since 2017. I'm relatively new to Corporate Universe. I've had it for 6-7 months now. But yeah, Tattooed Chef, I've had it for over a year. That was a SPAC deal. FMCI was the original deal. You know, at one juncture, I was up 200% on that. But I'm an investor. I'm not a trader. I'm not a swing trader. And then that leads me to my last segment, is maybe Bitcoin, and what is my philosophy, or what do I feel about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Well, there are some rare currencies or blockchain technologies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, DOT. There's a few really good ones out there. I don't believe in Dogecoin. Even though I buy it and sell it, I'll swing it and I'll trade Dogecoin, because why not ride the waves? I understand the waves, the charts, everything that's going. You know, I get in for 20, trade it for 27. I bought it at 1 cent, got rid of it for 7 cents. Like, I've always rid the waves up, and I've always made money off Dogecoin, but you know, that's kind of a gamble for me, just riding the momentum, riding the waves. But with that being said, eventually I think that Ethereum, Cardano, which is ADA, and Bitcoin, they are going to take over at some point in time. I've been swinging them as of late because I kind of got into the groove. Like, my Bitcoin went up to 60. I didn't get rid of it till 45. Ethereum, I had it at 1,500. It went up to 4,500. I got rid of it at 3,500, and now it's just tinkering right around 2,000. So they are long-term holds eventually. They're not quite ubiquitous just yet, but when they do get there, then you know they're going to be at escape velocity and they're never coming back. So but yeah, so my goal is to have at some juncture 25 Bitcoins and at least 200 Ethereum coins, and I'll be happy with my crypto holdings. With that being said, I'm not a financial advisor. There's a lot of other things you should be investing in before stocks. If you just got married, you should have life insurance. If you get to a certain point in your life where you're more about being comfortable, then maybe it's time to buy a home. Even though I think that securities in the market's going to make you a lot more money, but everything's not about money. Sometimes you got to have creature comforts and things that give you mental peace of mind. Credit cards should be in check. Student loans should be in check. Your 401k should be in check, and then your Roth IRA, you got to fully fund both of those before you even get to investing in stocks and life insurance, then stocks, and then real estate. So with that being said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that's done really well, found ways to educate myself, gone to school, so on and so forth, and now life is really good. So I just want to inspire the youth to be financially literate and to make good decisions, so you're not a slave to working for a wage. I want you guys to understand that if you do the right things, then your time will be more valuable than any wage can ever pay you. With that being said, Brendan Ambadejo. Good luck investing, guys. Peace.